Hi there, I'm Shahi and welcome to Shahi's Amusing English. So today's verb that we're looking at is the verb go. What is a verb? It's something that we do. It's a doing word. Okay, if you haven't seen my previous video or a previous word video, it is for the word or verb have, and you should look at it because it will be useful to you. I've put it in. I've put the link in the description section below, so do have a look at that. So let's get to it. Today we're having a look at the verb go. Okay, and how do we do this? How does it go? I go, you go, we go, they go, she goes, he goes, it goes. It can be a car, you know, it goes really fast. So why did it change? This is called a subject-verb agreement. The subject are the pronouns and the verb is, in this moment, we're looking at go. So what are the examples? Let's look at the examples. When can we use it? We can use go for everyday actions. We can use the present perfect form of the verb for everyday actions. Every day I go to school. Every day she goes to work. And every day I go shopping. You could go anywhere. I go to town. I go to visit my grandma. So something that you do every day, you can say every day I go. But if it changes, yesterday maybe you did something different, for example. So yesterday would be the past tense, something that you already did. The action has been completed. What is the past of go? Do you know? The past of go is went. It's not goed. So, okay. I went to the dentist yesterday. She went to the dentist yesterday. They went to Grandma's house yesterday. We went on holiday last year. So did you notice, unlike the present tense, the past tense didn't change, okay? Remained the same. Went, 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 went. And that one was go, goes. What happens in the future? What's the future? Will go. I will go. They will go, she will go, he will go, it will go. Okay? It remains the same. It doesn't change unlike the present tense. So, she will go to school tomorrow. He will go to the dentist tomorrow. I will go to my grandma's house tomorrow. We've changed the engine of the car and now it will go really fast. So it will, because it is an object. Okay, we can say it. What about the question form? What about the question form? Do we say go or do we say went when we ask a question? We say go. Did you go? Will you go? Are you going to go? Are you going to go to the party tomorrow? No, I won't be going. Okay. Will you go shopping tomorrow? Are you going to the shop right now? No, I'm not. I'm not going to go right now. I might go later. But not right now. So, if you see, for the past tense, for the future tense, and for the question form, we are consistent. We don't change the verb, okay? So only for the present tense we change the verb. So what was it? Do you remember? I go, he goes, she goes, we go, they go, it goes, and so on. And if you want to put your examples below, you are welcome to. I will have a look at them and let you know if they are correct. So we are coming to the end of the video. There are some links below in the description, so please have a look at them. my Instagram, and also some other useful videos that I've made for you to help you with your English. So stay tuned for some more amusing English. Also, I hope that you liked the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe if you haven't already. And I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful day, and take care, and bye for now.